correctly map stock write-offs in your company, coordinate it with your tax advisor. Stock is only available under some conditions, such as when movable goods are involved. Therefore, use this function with great care. Open the Stock Management menu. This menu provides an overview of all the functions of a RETAIL7 app regarding stock management. These functions can be used to configure the stock of registered items in the RETAIL7 POS system. In addition, you can manage the stock in the Management console under Menu Masterdata Stock Management. For more information on this, please refer to the section Stock Management. Now select Write-off Stock and enter the item number or item name or select the item from the list. The item number is assigned only once in the system. Therefore, all items are uniquely assigned. And then click Add. Once you have selected all the items you want to write off, click Save. Now select a reason for the write-off and click OK.